because I remember this. There was this time where I'm gonna have that top meeting anyway. I'm
Mm-hmm.
gonna meet all of my front office stakeholders, and I'm gonna present what we've made, and I'm gonna seek their sign off. But at that time, for some reason, I'm not in a good mental state. And when you're in that state, then I cannot regulate my emotions.
Mm-hmm.
So I was hosting where I was presenting, da da da, and all the responses were just complaint, and
Mm-hmm.
not even what do you call it? Complaints that are significant. It's like, I don't like this button, or this is not, the user experience that I've asked for. But then you still allow them to vent. And when you do, I actually, need capacity to listen, need capacity to empathize. And
Yeah.
at that time, because all of them were complaining at the same time, or maybe just sharing feedback, sure. But I couldn't, and I think I was about to break down. So
Yeah.
I, I literally did this because it's a face-to-face meeting. I said, I need a moment. I think let's reconvene this meeting at another schedule. And I packed up my laptop from the table and then gathered myself and then exited because I think I'm gonna cry on that meeting because it's
Sure.
just
Sure.
too much. And I'm
Yeah.
the type of person as well, like when somebody's complaining, I'm not gonna match your energy.
Mm-hmm.
It's not gonna be a constructive way for me to respond. We're not gonna solve anything because I'm not in a place to listen.
Mm-hmm.
And then I went back to my desk and I just like, wow. And my body just started receiving all of the energy that was given to me. It's like, that was quite intense. And yeah, my body just like,
Mm-hmm.
and I did start crying in the office because it's just like, I couldn't regulate my emotions. So look after yourself. You
Mm-hmm.
know, we are also humans. And shared with my boss at that time, it's like, this is just too much. And it's so sweet. I had a colleague who was one of the attendees of that meeting. He went by to my desk and gave me a pack of gummy bears. It's like, and I was crying at that time. And it's like, how do you deal with someone who's showing that emotion at the
Mm-hmm.
work? And he dropped it at my desk and then also just like silently left because I was like, because when he passed and I just did this. It's like I just need a moment to
Mm-hmm.
feel because it's quite intense. And
Sure.
then